This video is for educational purposes only. Potassium hydroxide and phosphoric acid are dangerous if mishandled. Wear goggles, gloves, and work in a ventilated space. Everything shown here is what I do for my own grow experiments. You are responsible for your own safety. So growmies, welcome to part 2. In part 1 we learned the only thing that really matters. My phosphoric acid is way stronger than my potassium hydroxide stock. That's why 4 parts of potassium hydroxide stock and 1 part of phosphoric acid gives me a clean 1:1 pK. Today I'll show you how to make any pK ratio without needing a calculator, a degree, or a headache. First, a quick reminder. My KOH stock is 100 grams per liter because it dissolves well, stays thin and liquid, and keeps everything predictable and safe. Stronger mixes get difficult to handle and a bit too aggressive for my taste. So 100 grams per liter is a perfect baseline for DIY nutrients. Now here's the only rule you need to remember. In my setup, the phosphoric acid is about 4 times stronger than the potassium hydroxide stock. Once you know that, every pK ratio becomes stupidly easy to build. If you want more potassium, use more potassium hydroxide stock. If you want more phosphorus, just use more phosphoric acid. It's that simple, really. Here are the simple real-world examples. pK 1:1 is 4 parts potassium hydroxide stock to 1 part phosphoric acid. pK 2:1 is roughly 2 parts potassium hydroxide stock plus 1 part phosphoric acid. pK 3:1, around 1.5 parts potassium hydroxide stock to 1 part phosphoric acid. pK 1:2, you flip it. Half the KOH, double the acid. You don't need perfect decimal precision. Close enough works insanely well in real life. Yeah? Plants don't care about the 3rd decimal place. After mixing, I always finish with a small amount of citric acid until the reaction calms down and the pH stops drifting. That's the entire system I use to make my FERMAKOR PK mixes simple, predictable, and growmie-friendly. In part 3, I'll show the real PK mixes I use in Bloom and how I bottle them for entire grow cycles. Drop your PK ideas below. 1 PK 3:2, 5:1, or 1:3. Tell me and I'll calculate them the easy way. We learn together, growmies. Have a good one and see you at the 3rd and last part, which is going to be tomorrow. Have a good one, growmies. Take care and be safe when you're mixing phosphoric acid and potassium hydroxide.